How can I troubleshoot JLab earbuds that are not charging?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle an issue that many JLab earbuds users might face. Your earbuds are not charging. Don't worry, we're going to guide you through some simple troubleshooting steps to try and resolve this issue.
Are your earbuds and case clean?
Firstly, it's crucial to ensure that the charging contacts on both your earbuds and the case are clean. Over time, dirt or earwax can accumulate, preventing a good connection. Use a soft, dry cloth or a cotton swab to gently clean these areas.
Is your charging case working properly?
The next step is to check if the charging case itself is functioning correctly. Connect it to the power source using your USB cable. If the charging light doesn't come on, try using a different cable or power source, as the problem could be with those components, not the earbuds.
Are you using the correct method to charge?
JLab earbuds are designed to begin charging as soon as they are placed in the charging case. Make sure that you're properly seating the earbuds in the case and that the lid is fully closed. The earbuds should light up, indicating they are charging.
Have you tried resetting the earbuds?
Sometimes a simple reset can solve the charging issue. Each JLab model has a slightly different resetting procedure, so make sure to follow the instructions given in your user manual. Generally, it involves putting the earbuds back in the case, holding down a combination of buttons, and then taking them out again.
Is it a battery issue?
If none of the above steps works, your earbuds might have a battery problem. The lifespan of lithium-ion batteries can decrease over time, and eventually, they may need to be replaced. It might be time to contact JLab support or your retailer for further assistance if your product is still under warranty. And that's it. Those are the simple steps you can take to troubleshoot your JLab earbuds that are not charging. We hope you found these tips helpful and that your earbuds are back up and running smoothly. Remember, when in doubt, it's always a good idea to reach out to JLab customer support. They're there to help. Happy listening!